Hey, welcome to my channel Live What You Love, and this is Sanjay Ramesh. So this vlog is all about the Topbox installation. So I got a lot of requests for a Topbox vlog, so I thought why not show you the installation video. So I bought this from Adeshwars bike accessories. It's located right next to the passport office in Lal Bagh Road. So the model which I chose was SH42. So that's the brand name is SHAD. So that's the best brand for a top box. So here 42 is nothing but 42 liters. So you can stuff up to 42 liters of your luggage inside the box. And this is an extra amount which you'll have to buy separately. It doesn't come under that particular setup. So this will cost somewhere around 1000 to 1500 bucks. I'm not sure about the price. It's been ages I bought this. So you'll have to buy it separately. So that's where the top box sits. But before you can place the top box, there's one more plate which you'll have to install. So this is the plate which the person is holding there. Yeah, that plate goes right on that surface as you see in the video. You'll have the required screws inside the box, and also the plate, the mount plate, and the stickers, the reflector stickers. You'll find everything in this box. So yeah, and this is the installation happening here. So once this has been installed, the top box goes right inside the slot and gets locked. You'll get multiple keys, a spare key as well. If at all you lose the original one, you can use a spare key. So be careful with the keys. So yeah, so the installation is done. Now it's time to place the top box, SHAD SH42. So yeah, it's placed on the mount now. So you can see the top box and you can see the space inside. So it is really an ample amount of space where you can store up to 2 people's luggage, like basic clothing and your accessories, cameras and stuff. So yeah, the Mr. Black is completely ready now. It's completely black except the seat. The seat is a tan brown. So yeah, so SHAD is absolutely a best brand for top box. And I've done multiple rides on this after installation. I'll share the experience in my next video. I'll make a separate video out of it. And yeah, so talking about this shop, Adeshwars bike accessories, you'll find A to Z accessories for your bike here. So even the installation guy will be there right outside the shop. And the installation charges will be extra. You'll have to pay separately to the installation person. So you can just talk to him and maybe you can bargain and get a good deal. So just keep that in mind, that installation charges are extra and you'll have to pay him. So, and talking about the shop again, it's a one-stop destination for all your accessories for your bike. If at all you're planning for a long ride, or like if you're planning for a bike tour, so you can just come here for all your accessories. So you'll find everything, all the touring accessories here, including the lights. So that is it from my end, and also I'll provide the shop address details and also the phone number. You might be seeing that on the screen as well. Hope you liked this video. If at all you liked it, you know what needs to be done. Just hit the like button and share it maximum. Also do comment your views about the video and what else are you looking for, like what accessory videos are you looking for, so that I can make a video out of it. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.